Alright, so here is Anthony attempting to pull my car dead weight. We're going to put it in neutral to show you that nothing is in the truck, no extra weights. Nothing. Alright. So as you can see, we're in park right now. And we pop it into neutral. We're now in neutral.
Ready to do this?
Yep. Alright, I'm going to be right here just as a safety for everything. And go. And there it goes. Here is Anthony pulling dead weight truck. Truck weighs 4,000 pounds. Got to straighten the truck out a bit. There's Anthony still pulling. And there it goes.
How far would you say that was?
How far? Well, we started back there at the light, so I'm saying a good 30 feet or more.
30 feet or more? Damn.
Well, Anthony, how do you feel?
I is Hulk.
Nice job. You just pulled approximately 4,000 pounds of weight.
Fuck yeah.
Woo!